bit of an update. We have now put on all the metal components that I got from WPL and put the chassis back together. So we've got the chassis back together and the dual speed gearbox in there. So now I've got to put the bodywork all back on again. So we're going to do that next. I'm just going to do a little bit of a test run though, just to make sure I've got everything nice and trued, because obviously changing the metal axles, I needed to adjust, may have to adjust all the steering system again, and so I'm going to get that done, and hopefully things should work fine. A slight adjustment to the electronics as well. I didn't like the way the lights were coming on and off, so I decided to buy an electronic switch, which is this guy here, which is switched through your channel on your receiver, and that will turn on both the front lights, which I've got installed there. That comes on that port, and I've got the other port to do on the rear. So this is the rear, as you know from the previous video, and that will go onto the next port, so the lights will turn on when I turn the channel on. And also I need to make sure that the 2-speed gearbox works. Not bad little update, quite happy with that. And this is my WPL C24, the Toyota Hilux. This is my completed chassis, and I think it's turned out really well actually. I've enjoyed doing the build on here, different to the Tamiya's. I enjoyed this a lot better than the C54. There were just too many manual issues with the C54. This one's turned out to be a bit better in that respects, and again I've put a whole load of metal upgrades on here. As you can see, a whole lot of metal upgrades for the axles, etc. And I think the model's turned out really nice. Needs to be run here, so you can see that the metal upgrades on the rear look there, and it's quite a lot of articulation. So it's turned out a really nice model. I'm happy with this. We need to give it a good run. I've got the lights and things installed. So yeah, next time you see this, we'll get it out on the track and get it running. Looks good to me. Not bad at all, not bad. Might have another look and see there's another one. Anyway, as always, please do hit the like and the subscribe button for me. It helps the channel, and it really is appreciated that anyone that views my videos, the time that you take. So I'll see you on the next one, and do take care, and God bless you all. Bye bye for now.